Hi there, students. Scalp. Okay, a scalp, a countable noun. To scalp, a verb. Okay, the scalp is the skin on the top of your head where the hair grows. Well, that is unless you're bald. So maybe you could have shampoo for an oily scalp or a dry scalp. My scalp is very itchy. What's that? Okay, so the scalp. And then as a verb, you've seen these films with the cowboys and Indians. And very often the Indians scalp the people that they kill. They cut off the scalp to scalp. That's quite violent. And hence, from that, the scalps are a trophy. And we use that metaphorically to mean a trophy or a good win. So beating last year's winners of the competition was a real scalp for my team. Yeah. It's or in an election, some important scalps were taken by the opposition in the election. Yeah. Okay, so important people didn't get in. You can have to scalp as well. Let's see, a ticket tout. A ticket tout's a person who buys and sells tickets. Usually you'll see them outside a theatre. Well, nowadays many of the touts are on internet. And they buy and sell tickets. Yeah, they try to buy them at usual prices when they're difficult to get and then sell them at much higher prices. So a scalp, or to scalp, to buy and sell tickets. You can also use to scalp in trading, in stock market trading, which means to buy and sell rapidly, just making very small profits as well. But that's probably more technical. Yeah, you could use this humorously to say somebody's had their hair cut short. So next time you see that I've had my beard cut short, you could say it looks like you've been scalped. Yeah. Okay, and I guess these are the ideas of scalp. So the scalp, the skin on the top of your head. Yeah, and then to scalp, to what the Indians do, to have these scalps that are prizes. Yeah, and then figuratively, a scalp, a victory at the expense of somebody else. Yeah, and then to scalp, to a ticket scalp, or to scalp tickets, to buy tickets when they're at normal prices and then try and sell them at much higher prices. And then I guess in finance, in exchanging, or in trading on an exchange floor, buy and sell with a small margin quite rapidly. Okay, so to scalp, a scalp. Let's see, as to formality, the scalp, the skin, 5 informality. To scalp with the Indians, 5 informality again. This victory was a real scalp for me. This is more informal, 3.5 informality. A ticket tout is scalping, 4.5 informality. You could use informally, semi-formally, semi-formal writing, but no more. Yeah, I see you've been scalped. I see you've had your hair cut, 3 informality. And then this trading one again, 3.5 informality. Okay, so what about some origin now? Let's see. This comes from the north, probably from North Germanic. We have a North Frisian word, scalp, meaning dandruff. Dandruff are the little white specks that come out, of your hair. Yeah, or an old Swedish word, scalp, meaning a shell. Yeah, so the scalp is like the shell on the top of your head. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Scalp.